Let's hear now cardiac event number 5, also recorded at the apex. This is a very important event because it's very common. Now this sound goes very much like this. Tutatu, 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 tutatu. It is very different from the very first sound we heard during this workshop, the opening snap. The opening snap sounds very much like tum-tara, tum-tara, tum-tara. So what you are challenged with here is an extra sound that is so loud that can't be a gallop, that does not have a gallop lilt, and therefore your real task is to time this sound. Are you dealing with a sound in systole, or are you dealing with a sound in diastole? Let's try again. Let's hear it. Well, the answer is that you are indeed dealing with a sound in systole. Now, a sound in systole is by definition a click. What you need to only do is to time it. Are you dealing with an early systolic click, or are you dealing with a mid and late systolic click? Because they mean different etiologies. If you're dealing with an early systolic click, you should think about abnormal semilunar valves. If you're dealing with a mid to late systolic click, on the other hand, you're dealing with abnormal atrioventricular valves. So where do you think this sound is located? Early in systole or mid and late? Let's hear it again. Now in this case, the click actually happens to be exactly in mid-systole. Therefore, the diagnosis is mitral valve prolapse, a very important and very commonly encountered event. Now remember that even though the sound is high-pitched and relatively loud, very often it may be difficult to recognize. And the reason is that it may not even be present. It may be transient. So what you need is to know a couple of bedside maneuvers that can help you either elicit it or make it more easily detectable. These two maneuvers are the Valsalva's maneuver and the squatting standing maneuver. What both these maneuvers do is to make the left ventricular size either bigger or smaller. And if it gets bigger, the click is going to be less likely to occur. And if it gets smaller, the click is going to be more likely and earlier likely to occur. For a more detailed description of these maneuvers, please refer to your booklet.